How to get Facebook QR code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to get Facebook QR code. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook app on your device and make sure that you have signed into your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner of your screen. From this page, you need to tap on the search icon at top right corner. Or instead, you can come back to the home feed of Facebook and tap the search icon at top right directly and search for QR code. And at the top, you can easily see QR code. You can scan QR code and share your personal code with others using QR code of Facebook. Tap on it. And here you got a scanner. You can easily import from your gallery or align QR code within the frame to scan. Or in order to get your Facebook QR code, you can tap my code at top right corner. Now you can tap on the share icon at bottom. A menu will pop out where you can easily see all the social media platform. You can easily share this QR code to any social media platform and send as a message to your friends. And from this QR code, your friends can easily scan it and be friends with you or visit your profile. So in this way, you can easily get Facebook QR code. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.